Hello everyone, I'm Tara, the Dance Doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching a bachata intro music routine that I have choreographed specifically to the song Desde Mis Ojos, the bachata remix. Okay, and we're going to be dividing this routine into 4 parts. It's only 4 counts of 8, so it's not a super long routine, but these bachata intro music routines are always very popular. You guys love them, so I thought I would do another one for you today. Really quick before we get into the lesson, I just want to say 2 things. One is if you are looking for beautiful, comfortable, functional dance shoes, look no further. Go to yamishoes.com and find a myriad of amazing styles, the most comfortable dance shoes you'll ever wear with a street sole so that you can wear them on any surface and you don't have to worry about ruining your dance shoes. Go to yamishoes.com and use my discount code DanceDoc10 to get 10% off of your purchase. Also, if you didn't know already, my next Havana Dance Retreat is June 23rd through July 1st. Currently, there are only 3 spots left on that retreat, and I am anticipating filling the retreat probably in the next week. So if you have been interested in coming to Cuba with me, now is the time. Do not put it off until tomorrow. We never know what's going to happen. Take this opportunity while it's available to you. Take this as a sign. If you have been wanting to come with me and you've been making up different excuses about why and putting it off, do it now. Do it now. There's no time like the present. I can guarantee you, you will not regret it. It will be one of the best decisions that you have made in your life. So if you're interested in coming to Cuba with me to be immersed in dancing and Cuban culture and just have the best time of your life, reach out to me right now, dancedoctoronline@gmail.com, or you can find more details on my retreat website, ddretreats.com. Okay, now without further ado, let's get into the lesson. Okay, so the first section of this routine is actually going to be 12 counts. So I know I said it was 4 counts of 8, but we are doing just a little bit of an intro on the 5, 6, 7, 8 before the section of the song that we're dancing to. So the first section looks like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on the 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm starting by doing a hip circle in this direction, and as I do that, I'm going to bring my left hand across my belly and my right hand around my head. So I'm going 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to end up with my weight on my left, and I'm going to go and tap and tap. Okay? So I went 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, and then come up and tap. So this one is with a bent standing leg, and this one is with a straight standing leg. My arm, as I go down, is going to come up, and then it's going to come across in front of my eyes as I look to the left. So I go 1, 2, 3. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to turn to face forward 4 and kind of slide my hand across 4, 5, and then I'm going to roll the shoulders 6, 7, 8 as I drag this right foot in. Okay, so I do 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's try the first section of this routine with music. If you'd like to see the rest of this tutorial, head on over to my Patreon page, patreon.com/dancedoctor, and become a free member. That's right, this is free. There's no charge to see the tutorial. It just allows me to be able to dance with copyrighted music like the song that we are using for this tutorial and have a little bit more of an intimate connection with all of you. So head on over to patreon.com/dancedoctor, become a free member, and you can see the rest of this tutorial and continue to dance with me.